How to fix Fortnite. The installed version of the AMD graphics driver has known issues in D3D12 error. Now, first of all, there's really nothing to fix as this is Fortnite's issue, usually caused by not really updating. But if you really do want to play the game right now, a solution for this is to just go ahead and open your Epic Games, go to the library, click on the three dots under Fortnite, and click on Manage. So over there, you'll be able to see the Manage launch options. Then in your launch options, just go ahead and turn that on where you can type in DX11 where you can close the tab. Now once you've done that, you can launch the game and check if it solves your issues or not. Now does this level down your game? Probably, but with the with the result of most likely you be able to play the game again. But if that doesn't work, you can just go ahead to any preferred browser and search for the AMD website for your drivers. So just go ahead and click on the first link and you'll be able to find to update your AMD graphics card driver. So search and select your graphics card driver, then in there you can go ahead and update it. So after updating the graphics card driver, launch the game and see if your problems is fixed or not. So hopefully this video does help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.